D.I.Y male TS to female TRS jack. 6.35 millimeters TRS female jack. 6.35 millimeters TS, male to all male cable. Cut this end. Open up the 6.35 millimeters TRS female jack. Firstly, insert the outer female casing. Make sure the inside correctly. And also the parts sequences must be followed. Measure the heat shrink rubber. Cut the heat shrink rubber not too short and not too long. And insert the cut heat shrink rubber. Measure the cut cable at female jack connector. Cut the cable. This is what it looks like after being cut. Separate the screen and the middle cable. The middle cable in red. The screen in silver or gold. Now attach the screen to the TRS female connector. The screen secured. Now secure the red cable at this side of the connector. The red cable is connected to the tip of the jack. The screen is connected to the sleeve of the jack. Only two connections required for TS cable and the third connector not in use. Secure and clip the end cable with the jack's connector. Time for soldering. Solder the cable and screen to the jack connector. Checking the connectivity. Sleeve and screen connectivity. The red cable and tip connectivity. Assembling all the parts of outer casing TRS female jack.